Welcome dear friends. In this video we will discuss part 1 of the pair of words from CSS English of the year 1988. So let's start. Custom and habit. Custom means a traditional way of behaving or doing something that is specific to a particular society, place or time. यानी कस्टम से मुराद ये है कि किसी ख़ास माशरे, जगह या वक्त से मखसूस कोई सलूक करने का रिवायती तरीक़ा. Its synonyms are tradition, practice, ritual and convention. Example sentences: in their culture, it is a custom to exchange gifts during festive occasions. Habit: it means a regular tendency or practice often done without much thought that has become a settled or regular tendency of behavior. यानी इससे मुराद एक बाकायदा रुझान या अमल जो अक्सर ज़्यादा सोचे समझे बगैर किया जाता है. Its synonyms are routine, behavior, practice and pattern. Example sentences: she developed the habit of taking a short walk every morning before starting her work. Deface and efface. Deface means to mar the appearance of something, especially by damaging or disfiguring it. यानी किसी चीज़ की ज़ाहिरी शक्ल को ख़राब करना, ख़ास तौर पर उसे नुकसान पहुँचाकर. Its synonyms are vandalize, disfigure and spoil. Example sentences: the vandals attempted to deface the historical monument with spray paint. Efface. It means to erase or eliminate, especially from a surface. To make oneself inconspicuous or humble. यानी मिटाना या ख़त्म करना, ख़ास तौर पर किसी सतह से. Its synonyms are erase, wipe out and obliterate. Example sentences: over time, the wind and rain gradually effaced the inscription on the weathered tombstone. Differ and differ. This differ means to be unlike or distinct, to have a dissimilar opinion, belief or characteristic. यानी मुतज़ाद या अलग होना, मुख्तलिफ राय, अक़ीदा या खसूसियत रखना. Its synonyms are vary, contrast and diverge. Example sentences: the two sisters may look similar, but their personalities differ significantly. This differ means to yield to someone else's judgment, opinion or decision, to postpone or delay. इस differ का मतलब है किसी और के फैसले या राय को कबूल करना, या किसी चीज़ को मुलतवी करना या उसमें ताख़ीर करना. Its synonyms are postpone, delay and yield. Example sentences: he decided to defer the meeting to a later date to allow for more thorough preparation. Conduct and character. Conduct means the way in which a person behaves, especially in a particular place or situation. यानी conduct के माने है कि किस तरह से कोई शख्स बर्ताव करता है, ख़ास तौर पर किसी ख़ास जगह में या ख़ास हालात में. Its synonyms are behavior, demeanor, actions and manners. Example sentences: his conduct during the meeting was exemplary. He listened attentively and contributed thoughtfully to the discussion. Character. It means the mental and moral qualities distinctive to an individual, encompassing virtues, values and overall moral integrity. यानी इसका मतलब है एक फ़र्द के लिए मखसूस ज़हनी और अखलाक़ी खसूसियात जिनमें खूबियाँ, अक़दार और मजमूई अखलाक़ी सालमियत शामिल होती है. Its synonyms are personality, nature, disposition and integrity. Example sentences: despite facing challenges, her character remained unyielding and she continued to act with honesty and kindness. Considerable and considerate. Considerable means large in size, extent or degree. It also refers to something significant or noteworthy. यानी इसका मतलब है साइज, हद या डिग्री में बड़ा होना, यानी इससे मुराद ऐसी चीज़ है जो अहम या काबिल ज़िक्र हो. Its synonyms are substantial, significant, sizable, ample and appreciable. Example sentences: the project required a considerable amount of time and resources to complete. Considerate. It means being thoughtful and showing concern for the feelings and needs of others. यानी इसका मतलब है दूसरों के जज्बात और ज़रूरियात के लिए फ़िक्रमंद होना. Its synonyms are thoughtful, attentive, polite, kind and mindful. Example sentences: she was considerate enough to check in on her friend who was going through a difficult time. Thank you for watching this video. Stay blessed.